Wonder, pages 246 to 248. The performance. I watched the rest of the play from the wings just off stage next to Davenport. Justin was amazing, and Via in the heartbreaking last scene was awesome. There was one line she flubbed a little bit, but Justin covered for her, and no one in the audience even noticed. I heard Davenport muttering under his breath, "Good, good, good." He was more nervous than all the students put together. The actors, the set directors, the lighting team, the guy handling the curtains. Davenport was a wreck, frankly. The only time I felt regret, if you could even call it that, was at the end of the play when everyone went out for their curtain calls. Via and Justin were the last actors walking out on stage, and the audience rose to their feet when they took their bows. That, I admit, was a little bittersweet for me. But just a few minutes later, I saw Nate and Isabel and Augie making their way backstage. They all seemed so happy. Everyone was congratulating the actors, patting them on the back. It was that crazy backstage theater mayhem where sweaty actors stand in euphoric while people come worship them for a few seconds. In that crush of people, I noticed Augie looking kind of lost. I cut through the crowd as fast as I could and came up behind him. "Hey!" I said. "Major Tom!" Life after the show. I can't say why I was so happy to see August again after so long, or how it felt good when he hugged me. "I can't believe how big you've gotten," I said to him. "I thought you were going to be in the play," he said. "I wasn't up for it," I said, "but Via was great, don't you think?" He nodded. 2 seconds later, Isabel found us. "Miranda!" she said happily, giving me a kiss on the cheek. And then to August, "Don't ever disappear like that again." "You're the one who disappeared," Augie answered back. "How are you feeling?" Isabel said to me. "Via told us you got sick." "Much better," I answered. "Is your mom here?" said Isabel. "No, she had work stuff, so it's actually not a big deal for me," I said truthfully. "We have 2 more nights of shows anyways, though. I don't think I'll be as good as Emily was as Via tonight." Nate came over, and we had basically the same exact conversation. Then Isabel said, "Look, we're going to have a late night dinner to celebrate the show. Are you feeling up to joining us? We'd love to have you." "Oh, no," I said. "Please," said Augie. "I should go home," I said. "We insist," said Nate. By now, Via and Justin had come over with Justin's mom, and Via put her arm around me. "You're definitely coming," she said, smiling her old smile at me. They started leading me out of the crowd, and I have to admit, for the first time in a very, very long time, I felt absolutely happy.